The Hacksnicks Vigoroot Self-Watering Tower Garden is a 3-tier growing tower with an integrated self-watering system. It's perfect for those who want to grow plants such as strawberries, herbs, salads and bush tomatoes in a small corner of their garden, balcony, roof terrace or patio. By removing the need to water every day, the design is ideal for people with busy lives or limited mobility, or simply for people who forget to water their plants. The tower garden comes neatly packaged and the steel frame is quick and easy to assemble. Once the frame is together, simply clip the reservoirs on at each level and fill with water. Each reservoir holds around 8 litres of water, meaning that plants can go for days or even weeks without you having to water them. Once assembled, you can now add the 5-litre Vigoroot pots. Each pot has an integrated capillary wick that takes water to the roots on demand when the plants require it. Plants grow better with a constant moisture level, which even the most diligent gardener can't achieve with a watering can. The tower garden provides this continuous supply and also makes under- or overwatering a thing of the past. Once you have filled the pots, ensure that the wicks are in the water and you're ready to go. What you plant is up to you. You can use plants from your garden centre or sow seeds directly into the pots. Vigoroot is an air pruning fabric that is designed to give a super healthy root system and excellent drainage, allowing you to successfully grow plants in a much smaller pot than would normally be needed. Air-pruned roots give stronger, healthier plants that produce more abundant crops. The Vigoroot Self-Watering Tower Garden comes with a polyprotection cover. Once fitted, it transforms the tower into a mini greenhouse. The cover has integral vents that allow you to control the ventilation and ensure the plants have the best environment at all times. The Hacksnicks Vigoroot Self-Watering Tower Garden is perfect for anyone who wants to grow fresh fruit and veg, but only has a small space. The circular shape and compact footprint will look good wherever you position it, and it will help you to grow a really impressive amount of produce in a very small space. It's the ideal planter for the busy urban gardener to grow food for their own table.